Very good evening to all my students. Today we have a fantastic day because we have a Ravi sir, and it is my pleasure to welcome sir. So very good evening, sir.
Very good evening, ma'am, and thank you so much, ma'am, for giving such a wonderful opportunity to talk with you and to talk with your students. एंड जैसा कि मैं जानता हूं और हमारे कुछ व्यूअर हैं वो जानते हैं, इससे पहले भी मैं यहाँ इस कोचिंग पर विजिट कर चुका हूं और ये मेरा शायद तीसरा या चौथा टर्म है और मैं यहाँ पर आके कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा सीखने का प्रयास करता हूं, चाहे मैम का जो टीचिंग स्टाइल है, पढ़ाने का जो तरीका है और जिस वे में जिनके स्टूडेंट्स अपनी स्टडी तो कर ही रहे हैं और उसके अलावा जो आज के वर्तमान समय के अकॉर्डिंग, जैसे कि इंग्लिश का सीखना हो गया, कम्युनिकेशन को इम्प्रूव करना हो गया, एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज को एक्वायर करना होगा, तो वो सारी चीजें मैम आप यहाँ पर अपने स्टूडेंटों को प्रोवाइड करा रही। तो रियली हम आपको मतलब हार्डली थैंक्सफुल बोलना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने देखा है और पेरेंट्स भी ये जानते हैं कि मैक्सिमम जो स्टूडेंट्स इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं लेकिन वो इंग्लिश में बात भी नहीं कर पाते, अपना कोई भी आप जैसे पूछना चाहते हैं सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड या कुछ भी, तो वो इंग्लिश में नहीं बता पाते। तो इस वीडियो से मैं उन पेरेंट्स को एक मैसेज देने का भी प्रयास करूंगा और करता रहूं हमेशा कि आप इस चीज को आइडेंटिफाई करने का प्रयास करें और अपने बच्चों को जरूर इस चीज के लिए उनको अवेयर करें और उनको थोड़ा सा मोटिवेट करें कि वो भी इंग्लिश में बात करें, इंग्लिश में अपने सब्जेक्ट्स की प्रॉपर जो स्टडी कर रहे हैं उसको अंडरस्टैंड करें और इस तरीके की कोचिंग या इस तरीके के जो मेंटर हैं उन्हें जरूर आप हायर करें, जिससे आपके बच्चे का जो ड्रीम है, जो फ्यूचर है वो सिक्योर हो पाए। क्योंकि मैंने देखा है ये सारी चीजें हम और आपकी लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती हैं। और एक बात मैं और यहाँ बोलना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि ये जो टेक्निक है या इस स्किल्स की जो प्रोसेस है वो थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोसेस है। बच्चा 1 महीने 3 महीने में नहीं सीख सकता, इसमें थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है। तो आप थोड़ा सा टाइम लें और एक अच्छे टीचर का चयन आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है। तो प्लीज आप इस वीडियो को देखें। आगे इस वीडियो में मैं उन बच्चों से बात भी करूंगा जिन्होंने मैडम के मार्गदर्शन में अपने आप को इम्प्रूव किया है, तो उससे आप एक आकलन कर पाएंगे कि बच्चा किस तरीके से अपने आप को ग्रो कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू मैम। Okay, so as I mentioned about I have some students, so I want to talk with them, and then you can understand how they are growing and how are they are doing our study. Okay, so first of all, very good evening. How are you?
Good evening, sir. I'm fine. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing well. Thank you so much for asking. And please introduce yourself.
Thank you for asking such a wonderful question. This is Samrit Yadav from class 6. I live in Gwalior. I study in class 6 and my father name is Mr. Omkar Yadav. My mother name is Mrs. Pooja Yadav. That's all about my name. Thank you.
Super. Okay, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir, for asking me this wonderful question. Myself Sarika Yadav. I am studying class 2nd. I am 8 years old. My school name is St. Joseph Convent School. I live in Gwalior. That's all about me. Thank you.
Super. Okay, please introduce yourself also.
Good evening, sir, and all my dear friend. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. This is Ishan from class 6. My school name is St. Joseph Convent School, and I live in Gwalior. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, all dear students. You have given wonderful information about yourself, and please tell me about how are going your study.
Thank you for again asking me such a wonderful question. My study is going very well, sir, because I'm learning so many things, and especially English language and other subject. That's why my study is going very well.
Super. I think you have learned so many good things, so that's why your feeling is good. Okay, please tell me about how are going your study.
Thank you, sir, for again asking me this wonderful question. My study is going very well because I am learning English language and other kind of subjects. So that's why my study is going very well.
Super. Yeah, please tell me how are going your study.
Sir, again asking me this wonderful question. So my study is going very well because I am learning so many subjects.
Okay, that's good. Your all students, study are going very well. And I want to know about your classes experience. How means your classes is running, so that's why you are feel more confidence. Please tell me about your experience about your classes.
So my coaching classes running is very well because ma'am is teaching very well. That's why I am speaking English language is very well. Thank you.
Super. Yes. Tell me about something your experience about your classes.
Sir, my classes is running well because my teacher is teaching so many things like English language and other my school subjects. So that's why my classes experience is well. Thank you.
Super. And your? Okay, that's good. Okay, so I think all have given wonderful, introduction, and all have given a wonderful experience about your study, about your, classes experience. And now I would like to give one topic. Okay, so please, if you have a knowledge about this topic, and this topic, I think it will be new for you. Okay, but you will have to, try to speak about this topic. Okay, and your topic is environments. Please tell me about environment.
Thank you for again asking me such a wonderful topic. And everything is around us environment, and it is indicate in living things and non-living things in our surrounding, and the environment is the most important resource for life, and the life of human and animal is depend on the environment, and the environment provide necessary things like air, water, etc. Thank you.
Super, Saumitra. You have spoke about one, well about environment, and I think it was really fantastic. Okay, and now I would like to give one new topic for you also. Okay, so please tell me about computers.
Thank you, sir, for again asking me such wonderful topic. Computer is an electronic machine. A computer works electricity. There are so many types of computer like desktop computer, laptop computer, etc. Our computer has so many parts like mouse, keyboard, CPU and CPU box, etc. A computer has not feeling. It works. A computer works quickly. That's all about me. Thank you.
Super, super. Okay, so you also would like to speak about any topics?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can speak about your aim, what you want to become.
Sir, my topic is my aim. I become IPS officer because it's my dream. The full form of IPS officer, Indian Police Service. The IPS officer is the second powerful police in India.
Good, and now I can say about all guys, you have done wonderful study, and I think you are doing great job. Okay, I think you are studying only 4, 5 and I think 2, 3 classes, and but after that the way you have spoke about and the way you are speaking about this language, that is fantastic thing. Okay, so keep it, whatever you are doing. I hope means whatever you want to become in your life, 100% you will get, because the way you are growing, these are things I think play very vital role to achieve many things. Okay, so keep it. Thank you so much. And okay, pause.
Okay, Vishesh, tell me about something you.
Myself, Vishesh Maurya. I am from Gwalior. I am 8 years old. Thank you.
Divyansh.
Myself, Divyansh. I am from Gwalior. I am in 3rd class. My school name is Blossom Convent High School. My hobby is playing football. Thank you.
Divyanshi.
Myself, Devanshi. My father name is Jyot Kumar. My mother name is Krishna Devi. Thank you.
ओके तो जैसा मैंने बोला था स्टार्टिंग में, जो मैं वीडियो जब स्टार्ट हुआ था तो मैंने कहा था किस तरीके का एनवायरनमेंट हमें अपने बच्चों के लिए प्रोवाइड कराना है। तो आपने देख लिया होगा इस वीडियो में जो भी जिस तरीके से भी बच्चों ने अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन किया, चाहे उनके इंट्रोडक्शन से रिलेटेड हो, चाहे उनके सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड हो, चाहे क्लास से रिलेटेड हो, तो ये सारी चीजें, इस तरीके के एनवायरनमेंट हम और आपको अपने बच्चों के, अगर रियल में हम और आप अगर बच्चों को जो भी सपने हैं, जो भी उनके ब्राइट फ्यूचर के लिए जो हमें करना चाहिए, अगर करना चाहते तो आप यकीन मानिए इस तरीके के एनवायरनमेंट की, इस तरीके की टीचर की आपको 100% जरूरत है। तो इसको देखिए, इसको एनालाइज करिए और इस तरीके के आपके जो टीचर हैं या फिर मतलब आपके पास हैं, तो प्रयास करें कि आपके बच्चे अगर इस तरीके से ग्रो कर रहे हैं तो आपको कोई कंसर्न लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, अदरवाइज आपको थोड़ा सा विचार करने की जरूरत है और इस तरीके के आपको एनवायरनमेंट की जरूरत है। थैंक यू सो मच। Okay, ma'am. So thank you so much again for giving such a wonderful opportunity. Really, it is a really wonderful pleasure to me, and it is a wonderful honor to me to invite me here, and especially to have given that kind of wonderful opportunity. And especially, ma'am, now I would like to talk some my personal, you can say kind of question. What do you think about it, especially nowadays? Why we are hearing like learning English language that is become very important thing. So what is your own experience about this language? Really, this language is become very important, and after learning this language, what kind of opportunity means students can get, whether pupils they are getting. So that's why nowadays we want to know mostly Indian pupils they want to learn English language. So what is your experience? I would like listening because you are working as a teacher, so you have a better experience about that language. Please tell me about it.
So firstly, my strategies are very clear to teach a student. Firstly, I'll create a positive environment for my student, and then I connect with my student individually. After that, I'll make schedule for a week and take a test for individual student. After that, we all do practice more and more. So basically, that is my strategies for my students. Then I think English is a very important subject in our life because English is important like for studying any subject. English in whole world. So I think English is provide many skills, many things, and provide job opportunities and etc. Many people think that English is a very tough subject for learning.
Yes.
But it is not like that. When you will start learning English, you will enjoy learning English.
Yes.
So I'm just saying that please do learn English and make aware things about English. That is.
Super, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving such a wonderful
Thank you also. Thank you, sir,
idea.
for coming today.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. And for giving me some wonderful idea. That way you are teaching your students, and that way means you are applying some wonderful strategy for our students. So that's why you already told about I also feel now because when I started learning English language that time I had a lots of problem. Means I had also lots of confidence and so many things. But now I feel like learning English language that is not difficult thing. So what we have to implement some good things like means making proper notes and joining proper institutes and taking proper guidance like good people and good teachers so they can teach you properly, and definitely we can learn this language. And apart from this, you already told about why we want to learn English language, why this become as an international language, because after learning English language I must say anyone can get any kind of opportunity. That's true because we have seen so many students they have learned English language and now they are growing very well because they are getting wonderful opportunities. Thank you so much, ma'am, again for invite here and giving wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.